Hey you absolute legends, how's everything going? It's John here with a Proton Saga update, or an update on the Saga. The joke didn't work, did it? I'm back with an update for you on the 1.3 GE. I've had it for about a month now, and she's just come back from Dad's, who's been giving it a little bit of a recommission, and there's some jobs that I've done on there as well that I want to talk to you about today. It's only a quick video, it's not going to be a very long video. We're just going to talk through a few things that have happened on the Proton since you last had an update. There's quite a few cars about today. There's been a few car shows. We've seen some interesting things. I've seen a Rover 200 and a modified Mini, and even a Mitsubishi Starion, which caught my eye. Right, so let's have a quick look around the car. As you can see, nice wash, nice machine polish all over now, and that royal sapphire colour really does pop. Looking great. There's still jobs to do, so please don't think that there's this is show winner, that this is concourse yet. We are getting there, but as I say, just wanted to talk you through a few jobs that we have done so far. So as you can see, it's had a wash, it's had a polish, everything's been cleaned. This bumper has been off at the weekend and refitted. The front bumper, it had a knock here at some point. There's a peg behind here that attaches to the wheel arch, and the bumper attaches to that peg. It had fallen off the peg. We needed to take the bumper off to put it back on again. That was a saga in itself. Both the lights have been rehoused and resealed on both of them. At the bottom there are clips. They break very easily. The clips have now been plastic welded, and the lights sit perfectly, so no more jumping about when we're on the road with the lights. Same with the grille. The grille had a broken peg on this side. We fixed that as well, again with some plastic weld. Number plates have been cleaned. I've got a little bit of delamination here. Do I get retro plates to do me another one, or do I leave it original? At the moment it's staying original, but it's been cleaned up. The grey bumpers have had a little bit of a clean. They're not perfect. This side needs sorting out, and I've still not sorted out this wing yet. We're going to get that sorted. Josh, the dent man, is going to come and pull the dents out, and then I'm going to spray that. You can see that all this grey plastic has been cleaned and degreased and degrimed, and it has been nice and clean over the past few days. That's looking good along there. We've got new door protectors, retro style. I don't think they are retro. I think they're a reproduction that I bought online, but they are here now as well. We've had a general clean and tidy up on this side. I don't think there's anything else we've missed. Oh yes, of course, you can't see in there. Mud flaps have been off, they've all been degreased, wax oil all beneath there. We've got all this arch to do yet, so that's not been done. This sill has been done, it's all been wax oiled. Again, under here, you can't really see, has all been cleaned, wax oiled, and tidied up there. Cleaned all in there as well. Again, wheels need doing, they've not been done yet. You can see that that's a job to do. This bumper's been repaired. At the back here is off the peg as well. Externally, a big job we've had to do was this light. Water was pouring in there. It's been out, it's been resealed. All the gunk behind it has been cleaned. Someone has put a whole tub of silicone, I think, behind there. Let's have a quick look in the boot. Boot's been cleaned and tidied and sorted out. All dry in there now, as you can see. That light has been resealed in there, and you'll also notice there was a rust bleb here and here behind this seal. They all go there, they all do it. Seal's been off, it's been rust killed and painted as well, so all this has been tidied up, and you can see this seal still a bit wet. It needs cleaning, it needs tidying up, but I'm not going to do that while it's still wet. But that's all been sorted out as well this weekend. Boot lid has all been cleaned, and all these channels have been cleaned out as well. I've got some tree in there already but that is what has happened to the boot. Shut that. We've had the number plate at the back has been cleaned, the exhaust tail has been cleaned, fog lights have all been sorted as well, they're all nice and clean. On this side, again, I've reinstated some stickers. We'll talk about stickers in just a moment, and we've reinstated these door strips, door protectors as well. So externally, looking quite good. There's still things to do, such as the wheels, as you can see. There's dints that need popping out. There's one on that boot still that needs sorting, and a couple on the doors that need sorting out as well. But overall, externally now, she's looking quite good. Oh, this is what else we've done. We've painted the wiper arms. They've been painted. The blades are being replaced tomorrow. I have some original Proton blades coming from Bexley Heath, I think they're coming from. So externally looking great. You might also notice that interior is starting to look good. We're getting there with the interior. I'll talk about that in a moment. Let's talk about stickers. Stickers. You know what I'm like with stickers. So all the stickers that would have been on this car when it left the showroom have now been reinstated. Big shout out to Rover Joe. He's on the YouTube, as you know. He has redesigned them all for me, and to Dave from DMB Graphics, he has printed them for me. You will see then, we have replicated the following. We've got the RAC tax disc holder, the new Knights of the Road. We've got our replica tax disc in here now. I'm filthy, by the way, because I've been wax oiling. Printed Cardiff, which is where obviously the car came from, and 12 months, meaning April 95. So registered April 94, 1 year of tax, April 95. Proton recommend my bill, don't you know? That sticker is back. Thank you, Rover Joe. This sticker is original, as you can tell. It's the security, National Vehicle Security Register sticker. That is back, and it is staying. On this window, we have reinstalled the OK Proton sticker, which is the quality control sticker. It is applied at the factory, basically. It's a quality control check sticker. The lady or gent in the factory in Malaysia says yes, this car has been checked. It's passed a series of 200 and something checks. They put that sticker on. It is ready to rumble. We've also reinstated this. This was one of the hardest stickers to ever get reproduced, and look at the quality and the great job that Rover Joe has done on that. So thank you very much, Rover Joe. Even the colours are right, perfect, right size, excellent. You might notice that the horsey sticker is missing. Yes, the red-winged horse sticker has gone. It isn't staying gone. I went to clean the back window and it basically fell apart. So I recovered it the best I could. We have redesigned it, again, we being myself and Rover Joe. We are going to reprint it. It's going here. I've also got a Proton one to go here, and the original dealer sticker has now been reinstalled as well. I did that one. That was my own creation, so to speak, using some reference photographs and the details from the number plate. This was an optional extra for me. It's the Proton Guaranteed Till the Year 2000 sticker. Proton's came with a 6-year guarantee. This vehicle, of course, from 94, so 6 years being 2000. It was an optional one, and they were put on some vehicles. I've put it on this vehicle. It's a nice little touch, and I think it's one of the only ones in the UK with that sticker. Right, let's pop the bonnet quick. We'll talk about under the bonnet, because mechanical wise, we've done quite a bit this past few days. We will pop the bonnet, and just like that, the bonnet has been popped. So what have we done? Coolant has been replaced, tank has been drained, it has been cleaned out, screen wash has all been cleaned, brake fluid has been drained, bled and cleaned, new cleaned, top's been cleaned, but new brake fluid in there. Air filter's been cleaned. Speedo cable was playing up a little bit, that's been fixed. Battery has been reseated with proper battery wedges, so to speak, and this has been modified at some point in its life, so that has been fixed as well. We've done an oil change, we have done the coolant change as we say, new alternator belt because it was squealing, new timing belt under there as well. Under the bonnet then, I think that's everything that we've done this weekend. As you can see, it still needs a good old clean. We've got some water spots and bits and pieces, but a general tidy up under the bonnet as well. Right, we'll shut the bonnet. And we'll move on to the interior. As you can remember last time, the interior was okay. It was good in the back. What have we done? We have VF product, the back here, and here it's all been cleaned. We've used the magic erasers. Do you know those magic erasers that you can get? We do all the vinyl with that. It brings all the grime out. Fantastic. That's all been done, and all the mats have been brushed and cleaned, including the centre tunnel one there, which has come out quite nicely. Still missing headrests. Can't find headrests. When I can, they are brown, not grey. If you have a set of headrests, please let me know. Door cards have all been cleaned, and general clean at the back there as well. Coming into the passenger side, again all carpets have been brushed and cleaned. I thought that was Crystal running away, then it was some bicyclists. Mats have been cleaned, and I've got a sticker here left to fit. It's the Proton triple valve sticker, that will be fitted next week. Internally still some things to do. This has discoloured, it all needs recolouring, as in cleaning and sun treating. Dash has been done. We've cleaned the gear knob. We have this door card yet to clean. But the driver's side, go around that side, is where we have done the majority of the work. The steering wheel was really grubby and dirty. It still is a little bit, still a bit discoloured, but we've done the majority of the work on that as well. So that's it. Internally still, this seat needs a repair. I have spoken to a man who says he can do it. I'm going to hopefully get that sorted early next month. And if we just take a quick look at the clocks and dials, as you can see now, 17,322 miles since we last spoke. So we've done a fair few miles in that as well. And that's it. That is the update on the Saga, so to speak. I should stop using that joke because it's not funny. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you want to have any more updates or have got any comments, leave a like, subscribe. It does help the channel and it helps what we're doing. And show me what you've been doing with or tell me what you've been doing, I suppose, with your projects this past weekend. That's it for the video. I'm sure there'll be another update. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, wonderful, great to have you with me. It's great to have your comments and bits and pieces. And until next time, stay safe and keep motoring.